some turkey, remember? Yeah, you do. Well, those are the things I'm going to say today. Then you gotta wait until you let me try them on. Also, we're going to do a Target one. Well, why do you say that? We're going to do a Target haul, everyone. You see? Right, you said Target one. This Target haul. Okay? Well, we are going to try this one and also this, and also. Well, the first one is red, pink, orange pink, and light pink. The zipper is gray and pink, I believe, and the zipper, I don't really know what color is it, but. And the hoodie is white also. Well, describe it is it's cute and beautiful and the little hands. Let's go try it on. Everyone, do I look cute? Well, I'm going to put on my hoodie. Okay, where's my hoodie? Can't really reach my hoodie. Oh, there it is. I'm a rainy girl. Well, let's take it back off. Okay. Well, I'm going to show you my shirt. That's my shirt for today. Also, it's really cozy. Like so is cozy. Option 2. It's so warm and so blue. Did you know that? This is my only favorite color. Well, I got some red buttons, but around it is like a little bit blackish, I believe. And even the hangers also like the collar and stuff. And in the back, there's different things like the lines and stuff. And there's buttons in the back too. Let's go try it on. Everyone, I'm going to show you two head, knees, and toes. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Well, let's get back to the video, what we're going to do today. Well, this shirt is from Target. Also, these shoes are from Target, the Cat and Jack. And this shirt is Cat and Jack too. Well, this is a shirt from Cat and Jack also. These shoes were like from Cat and Jack too. Also, they got little bows. And this jacket, I think we bought it from Target, I believe, but it's Cat and Jack. Well. Next one, this is the most comfiest in my whole life. And I got pink, white, red, and pink, and blue, and white. Well, it's so comfy. Did you know that, everyone? I used to wear it. Well, let's go try it on. Everyone, when it was snowing, it was so chilly and cold. And this sweater is very comfy. Well, you want to see the rest of my clothes? Sure. Well, I got some leggings and my cute little socks and my boots. Those are the things that I want to wear with my jacket. Also, you want to see the back of it? Okay. Well, let's move on. Next jacket. This jacket got like little twinkles and stuff. And I got a little store, actually burgundy, and the rest of it like is blackish brown, I think. And also the zipper's brown. And you can like really tell it's like green also. And I got some pockets, like each jacket when you buy it from the store. And I also got a zipper. And what's up? You can even zip it down. And that is so cool, right? Well, I got a little hoodie also, but it's not on me. It's on itself. And about it is, describe it is, it's cute, it's awesome, and it's beautiful. Let's go try it on. Everyone, does it look cute? Well, we got to do an action for it. And it's also cool. And the pockets feel comfy. And even the front actually feel comfy. And it's so warm. Also, I wear it. You can wear it at the park, anywhere where you go. Well, you can wear one of these jackets at the park, or at school, or at church. Also, you go to church, right? Yeah. Well, you can wear it anywhere. Well, guess what? This is the last thing. Well, with this jacket goes with leggings, also socks, and boots. Thank you for watching this video. And we already did the Target haul. See you next time. Click that button, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.